If your paycheck disappeared tomorrow morning, how long would your life stay exactly the same? 1 month? 2 weeks? 3 days? For millions of Americans, that question is terrifying. Not because they are lazy, not because they don't work hard, but because they are trapped in a cycle where every dollar already has a destination before it even arrives. Rent, mortgage, insurance, car payments, credit cards, groceries, utilities. The paycheck comes in and immediately disappears. Yet something strange happens every day. Some people face layoffs, emergencies, recessions, and unexpected expenses without panic. Somehow they never seem to run out of money. Why? Are they smarter? Luckier? Born into better circumstances? We decided to investigate. We submitted one simple question to the world's most advanced artificial intelligence systems, GPT, Claude, and Gemini. The question was simple. What separates people who constantly run out of money from people who almost never do? The answers were surprisingly consistent. The audit didn't reveal secret investments. It didn't reveal lottery tickets. It didn't reveal overnight success stories. Instead, it revealed 7 recurring patterns. 7 systems that repeatedly appear among people who build financial security while everyone else stays trapped in financial stress. And the final discovery may completely change the way you think about money. Let's begin the audit. Step number 7. They refuse to upgrade their problems. One of the strongest patterns the audit uncovered was lifestyle inflation. Most people believe earning more money automatically solves financial problems. The data says otherwise. Every time income increases, expenses increase too. A bigger car, a larger home, more subscriptions, better vacations, higher monthly payments. The result is shocking. Income rises, but financial security doesn't. The audit found that financially stable people behave differently. When they receive a raise, they upgrade their financial position before upgrading their lifestyle. Instead of spending every new dollar, they redirect part of it towards savings, assets, debt reduction, or future income streams. They understand a simple truth. Financial freedom is not created by income. It is created by the gap between income and spending. But controlling lifestyle inflation is only the first layer of protection, because even disciplined people can be destroyed by a single emergency. Step number 6. They build a financial shock absorber. The audit found that most financial disasters do not begin with bad decisions. They begin with normal life events. A medical bill, a broken transmission, a roof repair, a temporary job loss. The average person experiences these events and immediately reaches for a credit card. The financially secure person reaches for cash. GPT, Claude, and Gemini repeatedly identified emergency reserves as one of the most important financial protections available to middle-class families. Not because emergency funds generate wealth, because they prevent destruction. A cash reserve creates breathing room. It gives you time to think. It allows you to solve problems without creating new ones. The audit revealed that many people spend years trying to grow money while ignoring the need to protect it first. But while emergencies are obvious, the next threat is almost invisible. And according to the audit, it quietly steals thousands of dollars every year. Step number 5. They stop invisible money leaks. Most people know where their large expenses go. Rent, mortgage, insurance, car payments. What they don't see are the dozens of small leaks slowly draining their cash flow. The audit uncovered a surprising pattern. Subscription services, delivery fees, convenience purchases, auto renewals, interest charges. Small recurring expenses often grow into financial black holes over time. The problem is psychological. Human beings pay attention to large numbers. They ignore small numbers. The AIs found that financially secure individuals regularly audit their own spending systems. They don't assume everything is fine. They verify it. A simple review of bank statements often reveals hundreds of dollars per month that provide little or no value. Eliminating these leaks does something powerful. It creates financial momentum. But saving money alone will never be enough. Because the audit discovered that your greatest financial asset isn't your money at all. Step number 4. They protect their ability to earn. Most people insure their cars, their homes, their phones, but they ignore the asset that pays for all of them, their ability to generate income. The audit found that financially resilient people think differently. They understand that their paycheck is not the asset. Their earning power is. a nurse who develops additional certifications, a mechanic who learns specialized skills, an office worker who becomes difficult to replace. These people are constantly strengthening the machine that produces income. The audit repeatedly found that workers who invest in their skills tend to recover faster from layoffs, economic downturns, and unexpected career disruptions. They become more valuable, more flexible, more employable. But even a strong income has a weakness. It depends on one source. And the audit discovered that relying on a single source of money creates a hidden vulnerability that traps millions of people. Step number 3. They make money work while they sleep. One of the most important discoveries in the audit was this. People who never seem to run out of money eventually stop depending entirely on active work. The average worker has one income source: their job. If that job disappears, the income disappears too. Financially secure individuals gradually build assets that generate cash flow without requiring their constant presence. This does not require becoming rich. The audit identified simple examples: dividend-paying investments, retirement accounts, small digital assets, interest-bearing savings, simple index funds. The common theme wasn't complexity, it was ownership. The audit found that financially secure people slowly transition from earning money only through labor to earning money through both labor and assets. This shift may take years, but it changes everything. Because the moment money begins working alongside you, financial stress starts losing its grip. Yet even assets are not enough by themselves. The audit uncovered another pattern that appears again and again among people who rarely experience financial crises. Step number 2. They never depend on one source of income. This pattern appeared across every AI system we tested. The average household often depends on a single paycheck. The problem is obvious. One disruption can threaten the entire financial structure. The audit found that financially secure individuals build multiple streams of income over time. Not necessarily businesses, not necessarily side hustles that consume every weekend. Sometimes it's freelance work. Sometimes it's investment income. Sometimes it's rental income. Sometimes it's a small online project. The important part is diversification. Just as investors diversify assets, financially secure people diversify income. The audit discovered that having even one additional source of money dramatically reduces financial vulnerability. Because when one stream slows down, another continues flowing. But all of these discoveries lead to one final principle, the most important finding in the entire audit. Step number 1. They build systems, not goals. This was the conclusion reached by GPT, Claude, and Gemini. Most people focus on goals. Save $10,000. Pay off debt. Increase income. Those goals matter. But financially secure people focus on systems. A goal can be completed and forgotten. A system continues producing results indefinitely. Automatic transfers, automated investing, consistent saving habits, spending rules, income diversification, financial reviews. These systems operate whether motivation is present or not. The audit found that people who never seem to run out of money rarely rely on discipline alone. They build structures that make good financial decisions automatic. This is the ultimate difference. One person fights the same financial battle every month. The other builds a system that fights the battle for them. And over time, the gap becomes enormous. The audit reached a simple conclusion. People who never run out of money are not necessarily smarter. They are not necessarily luckier. They simply follow a different set of systems. They refuse to inflate their lifestyle. They prepare for emergencies. They eliminate money leaks. They protect their earning power. They build assets. They diversify income. And most importantly, they build systems that continue working long after motivation fades. Maybe the problem was never your effort. Maybe it was the map. If this audit changed the way you think about money, comment below. System rebooted. The audit is complete. The next move is yours.